Hello and welcome everybody. AAPL stock on December. Let's see that was the steps on this video. Today we go for the price that can happen on AAPL and let's see that together. So it's going to be about what would be the price if we say that it's going to has its things to be favorable. So that means for this stock to know that whether this is going to be movements important or not. So I think it's going to be more important than what it was, and this going to be returning back or a feedback about AABL next time to make it decrease in momentum. So that means for it's going to have also its decrease, okay, and that what we want to happen for AABL, because since it reaches here we can have our target in this place.